हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू एडुलिव। आज की इस वीडियो में क्लास 9th एंड 10th आईसीएसई स्टूडेंट्स की जूलियस सीजर का एक्ट 1 सीन 3 की वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशंस हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एमसीक्यू टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट पर्सन सेस्का मीट्स ऑन द स्टॉर्मी नाइट इज ऑप्शंस आर सेसियर, सिसरो, सिना और ब्रूटस। आंसर इज बी ऑप्शन सिसरो। Second question is the common slave held up his flaming options are left hand, right hand, left leg, head. Answer is left hand. Third question is the bird of night hooted and shrieked in the options are Senate House, upon Cecil House, upon Marketplace, or in the capital. Answer is C option, upon the marketplace. Fourth question is Seska was terrified to see a heap. Options are 10,000 ghastly women, 100 ghastly women, burning bodies, or ghost. Answer is B option, 100 ghastly women. Fifth question is Seska feared that the Senate intended. Options are to crown Caesar, to give Caesar more powers, to remove Caesar. Answer is A option, to remove Caesar. To crown Caesar. क्वेश्चन बैंक का एक क्वेश्चन है a charge of 750 coulomb flows through a conductor for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Find the magnitude of current flowing through the conductor. So answer is charge equals to 750 coulomb, time equals to 2 into 60 plus 30 second, which is 150 second, and current is equal to q upon t. So the answer is 5 ampere. तो ये है आईसीएसई की फिजिक्स की क्वेश्चन बैंक फॉर क्लास 10th स्टूडेंट्स। इसमें चैप्टर वाइज एंड कैटेगरी वाइज एक्सप्लेनेशन और थ्योरी गिवन है, वर्ड ऑफ एडवाइस बाय एक्सपर्ट्स गिवन है, एंड प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ऑल द एमसीक्यूज इज आल्सो गिवन। और इसको पब्लिश किया है ओसवाल पब्लिकेशंस ने, एंड इट इज़ वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर योर 2025 एग्जामिनेशन, एंड इट इज़ स्ट्रिक्टली बेस्ड ऑन द लेटेस्ट सिलेबस प्रिस्क्राइब्ड बाय द काउंसिल। इसमें आपको हर चैप्टर की ब्रीफ एज वेल एज डिटेल्ड समरी गिवन है। इसमें हर क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन एज वेल एज प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन गिवन है। इसमें आपको हर तरह के सवाल मिल जाएंगे, चाहे वो एमसीक्यू हो, फिगर बेस्ड हो, न्यूमेरिकल हो, या लॉन्ग टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हो। तो बुक की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गिवन है, वहाँ से आप इसको परचेज कर सकते हैं। Okay, so the context type of question. First question, first part is what assurance has Cassia just given Cassius that he can be trusted? Answer is Casca has just assured Cassius that he is a trusted man who never betrays a friend's confidence. He has given him his hand as an assurance that he is fully prepare to join conspiracy to redress the wrongs. Second part is how does Keshka prove true to his word when the conspirators are about to kill Kesha later on? Answer is it is Keshka who stabs Kesha first when the conspirators have gathered round Caesar to kill him. Okay, so the third part is who in particular is the noblest minded Romans? Write two sentences about them. Answer is the noblest minded Romans allied to be is Brutus. He who is acclaimed by all as noble and honorable. Brutus was considered Caesar's friend. He was a respectful official of Rome and beloved of the people. Fourth part is explain what is the enterprise, why is the honorable dangerous consequences. Answer is the enterprise is the conspiracy, a plot to kill Caesar in order to save the country from tyranny. It was honorable because the cause was supposed to be enable and for planifications, but it was full of danger consequences as it could lead to the civil strike, which is considered dangerous for any country. The second question, first part is who is the speaker? Which man is the speaker hinting at? Answer is the speaker here is Cassius. The speaker hinting at Julius Caesar. Second part is how does Cassius blame the Romans for their submissive attitude? Answer is according to Cassius, Romans have become sheep, timid and spineless. It is the people who have given him underimportance and undeserved honors that have made him threatening and fearful. Third part is how does Cassius compare the men to themselves? Answer is Cassius compares the knight to Caesar himself, who thunders, lightens, opens craves and roars. Fourth part is in what way has this man grown prodigious and fearful like these strange eruptions? Answer is this man here is Caesar. According to Cassius, he is like a conqueror and whole Rome is under his control. He grew to be threatening and a fearful man due to the timid and weak nature of the Romans. Fifth part is how does Cassius use the storm to obtain a commitment from Casca? What is a commitment? Answer is Cassius compares the storm to Caesar to highlight the danger behind the rule of Caesar. He wins to get Casca's commitment through this as Casca assures him that he is prepared to join him in any enterprise which would save Rome. Second question, first part is what was Cassius' fears that make him say that he would kill himself? Answer is Cassius fears that if cause Caesar is crowned, the latter will behave like a tyrant. In that case, the Romans will be treated as slaves, whereas he himself is concerned he will kill himself with dagger than submit to slavery. Second part is explain Cassius from bondage will deliver Cassius. Answer is Cassius will be in no case submit to Caesar's slavery. He will liberate himself from any bondage by killing himself. To him, death is honorable to slavery. Third part is how have the gods made the weak strong and defeated tyrant? Answer is the god have inspired the weak to stand against the tyrant fearlessly. The weapon here is suicide, through which one can save oneself from the tyranny. Fourth part is how has Cassius boosted the courage of Casca a little earlier? Answer is Cassius is very sure. He strives the spirit of Casca by saying that he is even ready to commit suicide to end Caesar's tyranny for him. He also said earlier that the strong men of the day have lost their manly. Fifth part is how has Cassius portrayed himself to be a lover of freedom and a true republican? Answer is Cassius has portrayed himself a very courageous, fearless, and a love of liberty, ready to fight for republicanism. He is ready to die for the noble cause quality and have embraced woman's spirit. Okay, now start with the fourth question. First part is how are the Romans to be blamed for Caesar becoming a tyrant? Answer is according to the Cassius, the Romans are themselves to be blamed for Caesar's growing powers and consequent tyranny. Caesar behaving like a lion because the Romans have become hens, timid and spineless. Second part is how does Cassius shows the weakness of the Romans after the extract to raise Caesar to his glory? Answers Cassius tries to emphasize the point that the Romans are like the waste of dust as straw that Caesar light at mighty fire. Third part is how does Cassius draw Casca into the conspiracy by playing on the latter's emotion? Answer is Cassius is very shrewd and he plays on Casca's emotion by saying that Casca seems to have accepted his bondage. He Dingley says that he is ready and armed to defend himself, whereas Casca is happy to welcome slavery. Fourth part is, how does Casca assure Cassius of his support? Answer is, Casca assures Cassius of his support by saying that he is a trustworthy friend who is always serious to support a noble and honorable enterprise. Fifth part is, how does Cassius instill a sense of encouragement in Casca when joining the conspiracy? Who are the people waiting for them in Pompey's porch? Answer is, Cassius tries to install a sense of encouragement in Casca. In joining the conspiracy, he assured Casca that he has already ensured the support of the noble and the honorable man in this enterprise. These men are waiting for him in Pompey's porch. Fifth question, first part is, what does Cassius give Cinna after the extract? What task does Cassius assign to Cinna? Answer is, Cassius gives Cinna some papers to put in different places. Cinna should place a paper in magistrate chairs, a paper to throw into Brutus' house through the windows, and still another paper to be posted on the statue of old Brutus. Second part is, where is Cinna to go after completing the task? How is Cassius confident about Brutus joining the conspiracy? Answer is, after having completed the task, Cinna should come to Pompey Port. Cassius is confident that Brutus is already won over to join the conspiracy, and one more, his visit will make Brutus entirely into the conspiracy. Third part is, why is Casca also keen on Brutus joining the conspiracy? Answer is, Casca is keen on Brutus joining conspiracy because his approval and support to their plot will give more sanctions and worthiness to their causes. Fourth part is, what does Cassius hope for at the end of the scene? Who has Cassius been able to influence so far? What is their common aim? Answer is, toward the end of the scene, Cassius becomes hopeful that Brutus' consent is valuable, and almost he achieved it. Cassius has convinced most of the like-minded noble persons to join the conspiracy. Their aim is to save Rome and the Republicanism.